Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva Digital Planner. First, open Canva and pick a template or blank canvas, then set the page size you want. Next, create sections and name them according to weekly, monthly, or notes. Use grids and guides to keep layouts tidy and add links for easy navigation. Save versions frequently and export a copy for testing on your tablet or app. Start by choosing a visual theme and stick to it across all pages for a polished feel. Add text boxes for dates and headings, then place checkboxes for tasks and habit trackers where needed. Use shapes to create editable fields and align everything with Canva guides. Test readability by zooming out, then duplicate well-performing pages to speed up creation and maintain consistent structure across the planner. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long planning sessions and adds a fun pop of color to your desk, making planning feel like a treat. I mention it because staying hydrated helps creativity flow and keeps you on task. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Make your planner interactive by adding internal links to each page or section so users can jump around easily. Link days, months, and index entries, then export as a PDF with active links to retain functionality. Try the planner on your device to ensure links work and tap targets are large enough. Finally, label links clearly and provide a short navigation page so new users understand the layout quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.